behind you. Paw? Paw? Behind every mentally ill woman is a cat following her to the bathroom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Be themselves. We need to put this on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
This one started like charging towards me. Whoa. Oh my god!
Alright. That's pretty good. The last row, we didn't even get a laugh out of her. Give her a round of applause.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
¡Yuhu! ¿Want a treat? Vale, ya son las 8 de la mañana y ponte a hacer algo, ponte a limpiar, a trapear, a cocinar, a lavar los baños. Anoche en el puto teléfono y ahorita no te quieres levantar. ¡Ya! ¡Levántate! ¡Levántate!
Hey. Oh, don't bite me. Ow, you... Ay!
That time my cat kissed a mouse and left it so confused, yearning for love.
Nothing coming out there, dumbass.
Hey.
Private stink pot, report for duty.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocados.
Someone's gonna...
Good job.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I gotta...
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Rahman Rahim. Sister Lulu becoming a hijabi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
What do you have, huh? What makes that much noise? Oh my god, is it stuck in your mouth?
Oh!
I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Peek at the cat.
Cuddling dad. Cuddling mom. Cuddling pizza.
You can't have it. Didn't I just tell you no? No. Don't thump your tail at me.
If you didn't fight it...
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy!
See, Toby. He's off. Toby! Come here, you little No.
Don't do it.
Oh my god.
Apple!
That's my thumb.
You don't choose your cat chooses you. And oh my god. Dude,
You good?
Wow, buddy, it's coming a heckin' storm out there, huh? Oh my goodness. Whoa, buddy, that sounded rough.
He actually feels really good. He loves the rain.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt your afternoon squirrel patrol. I need to ask you a quick question. How does it feel to be deemed inherently aggressive? Can't be trusted around children, can't be trusted around other dogs, not allowed certain public places, all because of the way that you look. Care to offer a comment?
Oh, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy. Oh.
It's like camouflage. You guys have the same exact hair color.
Great. That's wonderful, dog.
Poppy, almost the same years. Wow. Dad, you could use it as a wig.
Yeah, sure. One for the tail. I probably could.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fry.
What are you guys doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. What are they doing here? Why did you bring them?
You're not dead. Get in the cage. Bro, I see you looking, bro.
Who receives the evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That is forensic science. And then you need to decide, okay, well, do I want to do the biology stuff? Do I want to do the chemistry stuff? Do I want to do some of the more technical things like fingerprinting?
I'm not Mama. Mama's over there. Hi there, little guy. You're teeny tiny. Here, look at you next to my coffee cup so we can see how little you are. You are teeny tiny.
I'm talking to my friends. Mama, quit bothering me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Hey, don't run from the Lord. Where are you going?
¿Qué haces?
Oh my god, I can't get it, guys.
Good morning, buddy. It is 6:45 in the morning. And Hamlet is awake. And I am not.
Hey, Toby. Is there any way that... Jesus Christ. I just wanted to know if I can have some of that. That's fine if you don't want to share. That's fine. Just a little bit.
Bro, I didn't even do nothing, bro. I didn't even do anything. It's just I know. My leg.
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
Look at him! Ew! Look at you.
So I opened the door. And the bitch came out. She was like, you won't get your ass over here. I'm your ass over here right now. I'm gonna play with
Steph.
Hey!
Yo, peanuts, my lord.
Good night, Elon. Good night, Elon. I knew it. Go to your room.
Are you okay? Can I come closer? Hi. Oh my god, hi. You look like Hitler.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Dame la D-shave. Dame la D-shave.
Oh, here he goes. Do you see this right now?
Oh my god. Okay, okay.
Is that a pug? Are you a pug? Are you pug? Or are you baka? Baka, baka, baka.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Come on. I can't deal with this. First thing in the morning right before school. Are you kidding me?
Meow, 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 meow.
Playing a game of whack here.